what we do out here. Show you a couple of the shots. Lit him up. Lit her up too, but it's alright. My old head.
Shot him in the Uzi.
Got a couple good hits on him. Blew his Adam's apple out. Middle is, ooh, dang. Hit him up. Got some good hits on here too. This is my chart, Mark. Yeah. I ain't get that one though right there, that little bullseye. But I got this little joint right there. Little something. You know, got this dude. Got popped in the eyeball. Y'all see that? Popped in the eyeball. Blew his eyebrow off. Now we gotta pick the shells up. You done? Mo?
Yeah.